Okay, so in this training, I'm going to show you how we're going to be setting up a sitemap for your website that you've created, maybe using GrooveFunnels, for example. So in this case, I'm doing this as an example because I wanted to add this on Google. So I'm, kind of like legit for Google. So you go to the Google Search Console, all right, put it on Google, it'll bring out the first thing. Then once you're inside, you're going to be able to come and add a property. Okay, so you can choose either a domain or a URL prefix. We're going to go with your domain. So I'm going to put .com. Okay, so it's verifying, and right now it's giving me a text thing that I should add on my DNS configuration. Okay, so the way I'm going to be doing this is let me go. I've got a domain with GoDaddy for this specific. Sorry, with Namescheap. So the way we're going to be doing this is we're going to be choosing the property type of like the URL prefix, not this one, but this one. So this is going to be diabetesinvestigative.com. That's the site that I have, but I need to put in HTTPS, etc. Click on continue. It's going to be verifying my property. And now what it's saying that I need to verify this ownership. So what I'm going to do is basically let me go other verification methods, because I don't this is built on GrooveFunnels, where it's a page builder. So it's not on WordPress where I have a hosting, etc., because it's hosted on GrooveFunnels. So I'm going to be using the HTML tag, and I'm going to be taking the meta tag. See this? I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to go inside my page builder. So in one of the pages that I have that's on that domain, I'm going to go into my pages, and this works for anything that you have. If you've got WordPress, if you've got a website, wherever you see a header, okay, this is like the header part, because you can see it. If I remove this, you'll see that it will say header. Well, in the header area, under any other scripts that you might have, you paste the Google verification thing. So I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to publish and save. So in the verification process, I'm going to wait for it until it's done publishing. Okay, so this is a page that I've built that I'm sending traffic to using Bing. I'm going to be sending traffic to using Google Ads as well. And Google, when you're doing ads on Google, it's best to be verified in the way that I'm showing you. So you can show the Google that you are a person that's got everything setting up, verifying your ownership, etc. Okay, so I'm going to verify now, and ownership is found. So I'm going to go ahead and to my property. So now we're looking at the property for this specific site, where I'm going to be tracking all the details that's happening, the traffic that's coming, performance, sitemaps, everything is here. Okay, so whenever you have something new to add, a new page, then you'll be adding it here, submitting it, so that it's so that Google keeps up and everything. So for this specific one, now I'm already for Google. I'm also on the Google console, all right, and I'm gonna be checking things out from here as well. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, free training on how to set up your Google Search Console with your newly bought domain, so you can send traffic and be verified, etc. Thank you, and I'll talk to you in the next video.